Alright, so today with the Chrysler Man-O-War, we're going to work on a problem that we have here. And the problem is that the bracket, which is right here, where the rudder attaches, it just, it's a 50-year-old boat. It just pulled right out. But in order to fix this, we need to access inside the hull there. And there is no access normally. So what we're going to do is we're going to install a deck plate. This is a deck plate. We're going to install it right about here. The reason I'm going to put it there is because there's a bit of a lip in the fiberglass right here, and I want this to be as flat as possible. So if I put it in the middle, I might have issues with that. So we're going to put it off to the side here. It won't do any harm. And let's show you what we're going to do. Alright, now so that I don't scratch the gel coat with the saw that I'm going to use, I got some painter's tape here, and I wish it was wider, but it's not. So, rained a little bit earlier today, it's a little dampish. So, right about here is where we're going to do that. Alright, I think we're good there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark the hole, and in order to know what size hole we're gonna cut, we can't just trace this because we need to just be on the inside edge of this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, tip it upside down, and we'll trace that. And there is our cut line. Alright, so now to cut this hole, I'm going to be using a jigsaw, and the blade is going to have to get into the hole that I drill here, so we're going to need a drill bit that's at least as big as the blade. So let's get this started. And we want to drill this hole on the inside of the line. That can go inside. So let's get this thing plugged in. Alright, so there we go. You just pull that out of there. You see a little bit of how it was fashioned. And in the back there, let's see if I can get down in the hole. That's where my repair was, on the outside. Alright. So that is the inside of the boat. Now let's get this tape off of here. Alright, so when I bought this deck plate, it actually came with stainless steel screws. And drops right in like that. And now I can obviously reach in and access for making the repair back here that I need to. Now before we screw that down, I want to introduce to you the best product I know of to do this kind of repair, and that is this product called Lexel. As far as I know, it comes in this white. It also comes in clear. When I used to work at a hardware store, this was the best stuff we sold, and I've used it around my house for many years with excellent results every time. So not going to knock that marine stuff by 3M, but I think this stuff is a lot better. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this Lexel around here, set it in a hole, and screw it down. If I put a little bit too much on, I'll wipe it down afterward, but I'd rather have a little bit too much, not enough. I've got plenty in this tube. Alright, let's go get a screwdriver. Just want to snug it up without reaming it out and stripping it. I think we're good. Now we're just going to wipe off the excess. Yeah, probably stand and put some over here. Now this particular deck plate that I got, I wanted to make sure that it came with that black O-ring inside there, because some of them I found online did not. So I'll put a link to in the description below this video to the exact one that I bought. So here we go. Deck plate installed. Next video is going to be the actual repair of the transom and the rudder bracket. Thanks for watching. Alright, so looking inside. There's the cockpit. Some of the foam. Cool.